Hi, today I'm for the MOTOROLA Razr 40 Ultra and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap on the widgets icon, and after that you'll see here all of the available applications which widgets we could add. For example, we could see that the motor widgets got 5 different types of the widgets, the calendar only 2 of them. Just to add the widget to your home screen, you should hold it and just drag it to the home screen. If you want to move widget here on the home screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. To resize the widget, hold it for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And if you want to remove it from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.